Hello everyone, and welcome back. In today's lesson, we're going to learn prepositions. Prepositions are small words, but they're very important in English. They show the relationship between a noun or pronoun and another word in the sentence. They can describe place, position, direction, or movement. Let's learn the most common prepositions with easy examples. 1. In. In means inside something. Example: the ball is in the box. 2. On. On means touching the surface of something. Example: the book is on the table. 3. At. At is used for a specific place or location. Example: she is at home. 4. By. By means next to or very close to something. Example: the bench is by the tree. 5. Near. Near means not far from something. Example: the house is near the tree. 6. Under. Under means below something. Example: the ball is under the table. 7. Over. Over means above something, usually without touching it. Example: the bird is over the cloud. 8. Above. Above means at a higher level than something. Example: the balloon is above the box. 9. Below. Below means at a lower level than something. Example: the ball is below the box. 10. Between. Between is used when something is in the middle of two people or two things. Example: the plant is between the chairs. 11. In front of. In front of means before or ahead of something. Example: the boy is in front of the car. 12. Behind. Behind means at the back of something. Example: the boy is behind the box. 13. Beside. Beside means next to someone or something. Example: the girl is beside the dog. 14. Into. Into shows movement from outside to inside. Example: put the apple into the box. 15. Out of. Out of shows movement from inside to outside. Example: take the apple out of the box. 16. Across. Across means from one side to the other. Example: he is walking across the street. 17. Through. Through means moving from one side to the other by passing inside something. Example: she walked through the door. 18. Toward. Toward means in the direction of someone or something. Example: he is walking toward the house. 19. Away from. Away from means moving farther from someone or something. Example: he is walking away from the house. 20. With. With means together with someone or something. Example: she is playing with her toy. Notes: white heavy check mark in equals inside. White heavy check mark on equals on the surface. White heavy check mark at equals a specific place. White heavy check mark into equals movement inside. White heavy check mark out of equals movement outside. White heavy check mark over equals above without touching. White heavy check mark above equals higher than. White heavy check mark below equals lower than. White heavy check mark between equals in the middle of two things. White heavy check mark beside slash by equals next to. Conclusion: prepositions may be small words, but they make a big difference in English. Learning them will help you describe places, positions, and movement more accurately. Practice these prepositions by making your own sentences, and soon you'll use them naturally in your everyday English. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and see you in the next lesson.